Mishimelon.
Looks like this word is missing a letter. Move the right letter to the right spot. G, F, R, O, G. Frog. Woohoo! This looks yummy. Move the right letter to the right spot. G, F, I, G. It's fig! Amazing! And the last word is move the right letter to the right spot. G, U, G. Bug! You did an excellent job. Are you ready to create some new words from sounds? Let's put the right letter into the right place. B, sp, bus. You did it well. Let's make another word. Belt! Awesome job, buddy! And the last word is lab! Very well done!
Oh, kiddies, amazing!
Look! Words without letters. Let's fix them. Move the right letter to the right spot. Y, A, M. Yam. You are doing great. Move the right letter to the right spot. Y, C, H, E, R, R, Y. Cherry. It looks very appetizing. Move the right letter to the right spot. Y, A, C, H, T. Yacht. You did a great job.
Wow!
We need to create 3 new words from the sounds. Let's put each letter in the correct place. A, t, at, rat. Great job! Let's make another word. Let's make a red. Awesome! There is only one word left. Rug. Very well done, buddy. Next level. Let's complete the whole word. Move each letter to the right spot. B, A, N, N, A, N, A, N, A. Banana. So yellow and delicious. Move each letter to the right spot. G, A, I, C, A, R, L, I, C. Garlic. Have you tried garlic yet? Move each letter to the right spot. T, U, R, K E R K E Y. Turkey! You did an amazing job!
Kiddies,
C is for can. Move the right letter to the right spot. C A N. Can. Great job! Looks like corn. Move the right letter to the right spot. C O R N. Corn. Awesome! This word is missing some letters. Move the right letter to the right spot. C R A B. Crab. Splendid job.
circle.
We almost finished this picture. Only one thing left. Let's color the picture according to the right syllables. It looks fantastic! You are so talented! Today we will get acquainted with the UG word family. G. UG. Move the letter to make up the word. B. UG. Bug. UG. Mug. J. UG. Jug. UG. Rug. You're doing great! That was the UG
kiddies.
word family.
You are learning. Good teacher.
I want to play a little rhyming game with you. Frog. Frog. Star. Pipe. Star. You're right. Star rhymes with car. Let's try again. What word rhymes with dog? What word rhymes? One rhyme left. Are you ready? Tie. Pipe. Frog. Star. Pie. Pipe. Perfect. Pie rhymes with the word tie. You helped a lot. Thank you. Are you ready to spell new words? Move the right letter to the right spot. S T A R. Star. It sparkles in the sky. Move the right letter to the right spot. S T O P. Stop. Have you already seen this sign? Move the right letter to the right spot. S H A R K. Shark. It is one of the most dangerous fish in the ocean.
Learn amazing.
Let's try to write some sight words. Move the drop to trace the letter M. Move the drop to trace the letter A. Move the drop to trace the letter K. Move the drop to trace the letter E. This is how the sight word make is written. That does make sense. Let's write another word. Move the drop to trace the letter J. Move the drop to trace the letter U. Move the drop to trace the letter M. Move the drop to trace the letter P. This is how the sight word jump is written. I like to jump high. Here is a new word. Move the drop to trace the letter H. Move the drop to trace the letter E. Move the drop to trace the letter L. Move the drop to trace the letter P. This is how the sight word help is written. I will help you. And the last one? Move the drop to trace the letter D. Move the drop to trace the letter O. Move the drop to trace the letter W. Move the drop to trace the letter N. This is how the sight word down is written. We go down the street. 4 more words in your collection. Well done. Let's play some rhyming games. Find the cards that rhyme with the word pen and move them to the transport. Pen, den, ten, net, ben, den. Ten, ben, ten, ben, net, ben, pen, ben. Well done, my friend. Can you do it again? Find the cards that rhyme with the word pan and move them to the transport. Pan, fan, pan, can, pan, net, pan, van, pan, van, pan, fan, fan, pan, can. Great work, friend! Let's collect the words again. Move the right letter to the right spot. O, D, O, L, L. Doll. You can play with it. Move the right letter to the right spot. O, C, O, G. Cog. It is a part of a large machine. Move the right letter to the right spot. O, D, O, G. Dog. Such a cute dog. Great job. This is a pig, but the word is missing some letters. Move the right letter to the right spot. I, G. Pig. The word is put together. Great. Move the right letter to the right spot. I, I-C-E. Ice. Great job! Oh no! The lion does not have letters. Move the right letter to the right I-L-I-O-N. Lion. You are learning your letters. Great job!